All right, guys. So my car gear whines, and I thought, what is the best way to show you guys how the gear whines? So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna stop, and I'm gonna start from first gear, okay? To keep going. This is the Calimer transmission. This is what a gear whine sounds like. You can see the vibration in the transmission, you know, from it being mounted. So listen to the gear whine. I'm not gonna get on it. You guys listen to it. So you guys heard it. You guys heard the gear whine. It sounds pretty sick and pretty sweet. I'm gonna get on the highway, and I'm not gonna give it too much throttle because the car's still a little cold, you know. So I don't want to spin out. So I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of it that you guys can hear gear whine too while you're cruising down the highway. It's pretty cool. The shifter itself, I love it. It's called a hybrid 3 shifter. So you can mount it on the transmission or you can mount it on the chassis. Currently, it's mounted on the transmission. So it has a lot of vibration and every feel in the transmission. You can feel it in the shifter, you know. But I do plan to go on the body mount because I think the body mount is better for me. I like it anyway, so why not? So I'm going to go ahead and go again. You guys listen to the gear whine. What do you guys think about the gear whine? It sounds pretty sick, don't it? Listen to it. It sounds like Ken Block's car. Tell me I'm lying. If you guys have seen Ken Block's new GT, his Porsche GT time attack car that he just built, you know, it sounds exactly like that, and I love it. I love the gear whine, but it is annoying because when you're driving and you just want to enjoy the drive, you really can't. All you hear is, you know, and then it sounds good. Obviously, it's a straight cut gear, so it sounds really good, but it's just annoying, like I said. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys love this video. I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Peace.